Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set shipping rates on Wix. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is when you're creating your site, you need to set the site to be an online storefront. That way you'll have the option to go into your sales options over here in the Wix dashboard. So now that you have that site set up, you're going to go into sales and you're going to go into orders. Now, what you will notice is that I do not have a premium Wix subscription, so I cannot set up any shipping rules or shipping rates. You can tap add an order for the free version, but as you can see, to start accepting orders, you need to upgrade, and I cannot customize any shipping rules, as you can see over here. Now, I'll go over into this Wix Store Help Center, and I'll be helping you with how you can manage shipping regions and add shipping rates to different regions. Now, to add a shipping region, you just need to go to the Orders tab, tap the settings icon, which for me is unavailable, then select set shipping, and then either add a new shipping region or edit or delete an existing region. To add a new region, you just tap the plus, enter the name, tap plus to add destinations. You need to tap the destinations you want to set, which can be your country, a region within your country, several countries, or the entire world, and you need to select specific regions if you want to, and then you tap save. You can also edit them in a pretty similar fashion. You can just click the more actions or the three dots next to a region, and then you select whichever option you would like. But once you've set up some regions, you need to set up the shipping. You just need to go into the settings again under orders, then select set shipping and tap the region you want to set up, and then you need to choose the shipping rule you want to set up. You have free shipping, which is the default shipping, or if you want to set up something different such as flat rate or rate by weight, you can just tap on free shipping, which is the existing rule, then tap the shipping method drop down and select flat rate or whichever method you would prefer, then tap next, and then you need to create a delivery option and follow these steps to set everything up. Now, I would recommend you look at this article just to get a better idea of how to do it, which is called Wix Stores, setting up shipping using the Wix app. So I would recommend you check this out since I cannot show you guys in person, but it is very useful and there are slight differences between the methods. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.